Thank you very much, Primitive. This is a fantastic prize. I really appreciate it. Keep making your content. I got a package today. Thank you, Primitive FPV. Yes, we like drone frame gift. That is awesome. Wow. And only $10 to ship the frame here to Canada? That's not bad. Let's open it. Let's open it. Reveal. So excited. Some TPU thing. M3 screw, I believe. Oh yeah. Nice. 20 by 20 stack. Might drill out those holes so I can soft mount. Me like. Top plate and side plates. Those look like 1 mil or something. Bottom plate looks like it's 3 mil actually. Sweet. And we got some green standoffs. Some more screws. Let's put this baby together. Woohoo! Well, at least a little bit. Let's see what it looks like. I probably can't go a higher stack size, so I'm gonna have to build it out with this size if I want to continue to use this camera mount, which, yes, I think that would be a good idea. Oh, it's a complete replacement front. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, because it's got slots for the... It's a different camera mount. TPU created camera mount. Interesting. Okay. And there's our little frame. Thank you very much, Primitive. This is a fantastic prize. I really appreciate it. Keep making your content. I don't think I'll use this for my 3-inch build. Doesn't look like it would take 3-inch blades anyway. But as you can see, my 3-inch build has quite a higher stack size. Yeah. This will make a nice little project for me. Awesome, thank you. Woohoo!